That's the heat and element assembly. Look at that. Total fire hazard. And so looking why the drum is making the grinding noise, you could actually see that the felt cloth that's attached to the edge of the drum wore out, so you have the metal was actually grinding on the metal, and it actually wore it down to where you could see it protruded on this side here as well. It's supposed to be smooth like here, but you definitely can see it. So this front cover assembly needs to be replaced along with the rollers. That's definitely bad.